What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the PaMu Slide. Now these have raised over $4 million. On their Indiegogo they've raised $3 million. Not only that, but they're also backed by a couple NBA players including Spencer Dinwiddie and DJ Augustine. Now they're claiming that they have the most stable Bluetooth 5.0 connection, superior sound, and powerful bass. That sounds all good to me. Let's get into this. What? Come out. What is this form of magic? There's nothing holding it in. Okay, well. Oh my God. What? Ugh. There we go. There's nothing holding it. Whatever, all right. Now, it does have auto pairing, and they're saying that they're so comfortable, it's good enough to wear all day long. It is IPX6 sweat-proof rated, so you shouldn't have to worry about sweat or even running in the rain. You could probably even shower with these. They're IPX6, so they're supposed to withstand some pretty powerful water jet spray. All right. Oh, those are cool looking. Then we got the charge case. We have a rather large instruction manual in multiple different languages, very easy to read, nice illustrations, okay. Then we got about a foot long USB to USB Type-C, extra ear cups. All right, okay, so we got two small ones, two larger ones. I'm guessing those are the, okay, so these are the medium-sized ones. So you can see they're very ergonomically shaped. I'm digging the way the ear cups are. You usually only see them like rounded. These are more of like an oval shape. Then you got your connection points right there for charging when you put it in the case. I'm guessing that's the microphone, or no, there's the microphone. And you got the LED indicator right there. All right, and then you've got the case. Slide it open, very cool. You place them in there. Boom. Oh, look at that, and then it lights up. It's actually got LEDs on the case. I'm digging that. It's a nice little case. Now, the case itself is a 2,000 milliamp hour battery, so it'll give you, I think, five charges? About 5 charges. Now, the batteries themselves on the earbuds will give you a total of 10 hours of playtime. That's good. Also, because it has the fast charging, 5 minutes of charge will give you a full hour of use. Oh, also, who is this guy? And who said that he could use my shake test? What is this? Beep boop. Oh yeah. Oh, those are slick. Okay, so these are way better looking than the AirPod. All right, they stayed. Very nice. So not only are they waterproof, but they're shake proof. All right, so what are the controls? Oh, okay, cool. So right above the light is an actual touch. I like that. They made it very discreet. You don't even know it's there. That's really cool. Oh, there we go. The PaMu Slide. Pairing is successful. Connected. Okay, cool, so that's a good sign. That means we can use them independently of each other. As you can tell, they both have microphones on it, so you can fully use one or the other, which is great. All right. Volume down. Volume up. Very responsive. Oh. Oh, that bass is coming in nice. Anybody know Billie Eilish? I don't know if you ever heard of Billie Eilish or not, but her songs have quite a bit of bass in it. It's picking up really nice. Sounds good. It sounds really good. Let's try a little bass, little Migos type bass. Let's hear this bass boosted. Wow, it's clear. It's very clear. Oh, okay. And it's picking up that real low bass pretty well. No distortion. It sounds good. The highs, mids, and lows, they all sound really well equalized. I'm liking these. I'm liking them. How to use wireless power bank. What? Wait a minute. Is that a thing? What? Okay, I didn't even notice that. It's also a wireless power bank. Seriously? It's totally connected. That is the coolest use I've seen for a charge case for some true wireless earbuds. That is awesome. So apparently you can get it with and without the wireless charge case. If you actually go to their Indiegogo page right now, you can get the one that does not have wireless charging for only 49 bucks. If you want the one with the wireless charging, it's 69 bucks. That sounds like an awesome deal. I gotta say, these are nice. Okay, I'm gonna make a phone call. Okay, it's ringing at both ears. Whoa, hello. Hi, you hear a noise? It's making a weird staticky background noise. I'm gonna take one and put it in the charge case. Tell me if you can still hear it. Hold on. Okay, are you still there? You're still there. Can you still hear it? It's like a rattling noise and then it goes ee. All right, let me put the other one back in. Okay, how about now? It's even worse. Hello? Oh, it disconnected. Oh, it just connected. Oh, can you hear me? Now I sound really quiet. Okay, let's try this. Okay, how about now? Oh, you can barely hear me. It's making a blah, 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 blah sound. That's not bueno. Okay, well, okay. Let me ask you this. If I were just to call you and we were gonna have a conversation, could you at least understand me? She says, and I quote, I can understand you and that's fine, but it's pretty annoying.
Okay, so this is what it sounds like from the other end. Test, 1, 2, 1, 2. I have no snare in my headphones.
It failed the phone call test. All right, okay. Well, there we go, there we have it. That's a bummer, because everything up to this point is great. The sound quality, the comfort, wow, the comfort is great. Shake test, passed the shake test. The highs, mids, and lows, they all come in really nice and clear. It even picks up that real low bass. 10 hours of battery life? That's pretty good, but the microphone, something funny is going on. And then on top of that, if you try to swap them out while you're in a call, it seems like eventually one of them just doesn't want to get connected, even through manual connection. Now, it is possible that, you know, the model that I have could be like the very last generation of it before they like made the final little tweaks to it and put out the final version, maybe with a little software update. To be honest, if it wasn't for the microphone, I'd be willing to pay full retail price for these. They're that good. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.